occasions, the entire family is always there in every this thing. So it's almost like a family bond. Again, the hard work Mohsin has done, the way he's reinvented himself over the years, and looking brilliant. And again, जो मेहनत करी आप लोगों ने, जो in those times मैं यहाँ से कूद जाऊँ, यहाँ से भाग जाऊँ, वो जो energy level होता था, it's brilliant. And I think that again, honesty and hard work has come with both of them. Samriddhi, Rohit, I really feel when I work with you or I come on the set, that honesty, dedication and desire to do something I see I got in you. So that has been something very common in both the generations. So thank you, Mohsin, for always being part of DDAP and Ye Rishta Mein Kehlata Hai. And incredible work, incredible energy, incredible passion towards work.
Thank you so much. मैं सबसे पहली बार मिला था मेरे मैं बताना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे मैं अपना बताऊँ मैं पहली बार मिला था जब मैं कॉलेज जाने वाला था तो मैंने सर से पूछा था कि मैं सर कॉलेज कर लूँ कि आपके शो में छोटे भाई का रोल था अपने पे तो सर ने देख यार बहुत काम लगेगा और तो तुझे ऐसा लगेगा बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा और 12 घंटे सेट पे रहना पड़ेगा तो देख ले तो कॉलेज करके या तो मेरे साथ है तो बोला नहीं सर वो अभी एडमिशन करने चला जाता हूँ और कल तो कुछ टाइम हुआ कॉलेज खत्म हुआ मैं एडी बना और जब दोबारा हमारी मुलाकात हुई और तब हमारी और सर को वो तब तक वो बात को 4-5 साल हो गए थे सर को मेरी शर्ट याद थी कि ये शर्ट पहनी ये टी शर्ट पहनी है और ये टी शर्ट पहन के मिलने आया था कि ये हमारी बात हुई थी रिमेंबर एवरीथिंग और वो पूरा कॉलेज करके आई केम बैक टू हिम एंड देन वी ये रिश्ता आ गया
common. I think Shahrukh sir के कोई writer थे who knew me. There was somebody common in that who had told me and I met him. That time Mohsin was young 7-year-old boy, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा चबी भी था, चबी ऐसा पतला था, थोड़ा वही चबी था, but not like my context वाला, but slightly. So I remember I took his audition, but I said also that you need to finish your graduation properly because you cannot keep your feet on two boats. तू पढ़ाई कर, but वो audition अभी तक हमारे ऑफिस में. And once I remember after years when we casted him, I told him देख ये तेरा audition किया था हमने 5 साल पहले जब कॉलेज जाने वाला था 17 साल का. So thank you and of course we are very proud of Sajjad and done brilliant again. What he's done, he's created a beautiful brand of perfumes and when they gifted me one last year, I was so impressed. I immediately posted it and said it's something which takes, I think India should be proud कि इस quality का, इस तरीके का perfume and the kind of hard work this boy has done for his brand called Vilair and it's amazing. मैं कभी भी ऐसी चीजें बहुत because when we endorse something, it was one of the best fragrances and I think it tops any international brand से भी better है. So I am very proud of you for getting Vilair and these two and wish you grow from strength to strength and very proud of you. Thank you. What is something about the brand? He's worked very hard for it. He came to the office 2 घंटा मुझे बताया राजन जी हमने ये प्रोसेस करा ये कराया photographs and I was very impressed.
Thank you so much sir. Yes, so
अभी हमारे पास बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस भी हैं लेकिन फटाफट हम कर रहे हैं. I would like to call Shivam Khajuria who has been a part of Ye Rishta and now he is a part of